Today, we're going to replant the Chinese money plant. Helpful tip: water this the night before so that the next day when you do replant, the soil is looser and it'll make it easier for you to get this out of the pot. Find a pot with a good drainage hole. So now you're gonna go ahead and line the bottom of your pot with nice soil. I'm choosing one that's a potting soil, and it's also got a lot of perlite in it, which will help retain moisture, but also make it so the soil isn't so compact. Hi. Yeah. Now go ahead and tip the plant, grip at the base, and kind of pinch so we can get out that old plant. Oh, this girl. Break apart the old soil so that we can help our roots. Woo, girl. All right, go ahead and inspect the roots and trim off any that look damaged or are rotting. We got some good ones. There's a nice big fat white one. But then we also got some red ones, and that's a sign of root rot. Now go ahead and center the plant and add a little more soil. I'm a hands-on type of girl here. You want to leave about an inch below the rim so that you have plenty of room for when you water and it doesn't overflow. Okay, now we're just going to fill it up so she can have her new home. Oh, we lost one. We lost a soldier. And then go ahead and you're going to pat down so that we get rid of any of the air pockets. She's so cute. And just make sure with that new drainage hole, we're letting her drip out any excess water. And once that's completed, you'll place her in bright but indirect light. Over the next few weeks, just monitor her moisture level. I like to do the finger trick, the check-in. Once it's about 1 inch from the topsoil is dry, go ahead and water again to keep her nice and happy. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you can keep up to date on all things planty. Happy planting.